Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Spotify code with your picture. That is starting to be a popular thing to start making. So here is my design. Right now it would just be a square for where my picture is going to be, and it's going to be a 5x7. And then here's the template. I got that off of Google. Just typed in Spotify template and then it pops that up. And then I went ahead and just added the song that I wanted. I went ahead and typed it in and then just added it right there. It doesn't matter what size you do, whatever fits for you. And then here's the Spotify code. Okay, so I'll show you how to get your Spotify code for the song that you choose. Okay, so you're on Spotify, which I have an account, so I went ahead and just logged into mine. But I did look that up. You don't have to have an account to do this. So you can go ahead and get on Spotify and then pick the song, search it up here like I did. And then I went over to the song that I want and to the three dots, went down to share, and then copy Spotify URI. Okay, then after you do that, then you will go to Google. Okay, so you would put in spotifycodes.com and then this will pop up. And then you just erase this one and then the one you copied, the Spotify URI, put it in there, then get Spotify code. Okay, so then you will come over here. There is different formats you can do. You can do SVG, PNG, JPEG, so it's up to you. I picked SVG because I don't have to do nothing to it. I just have to load it up into my design space and it's right there. So then you go to download. Okay, so it pops up for SVG. So then I would save that and save it to my desktop. And then I would go to my design space again. Okay, so then I would go to upload. And right here it is. It still has like the purple. I picked purple to put on. You can put whatever color. It doesn't matter. And then what I did was when it loaded up and had like purple around it, I would go up here and go to ungroup and then highlight it again. And then I'll go over here to contour and just take the background away. And then it's right here. It does have three of these little things. I don't know why it's not showing up on here, but when I cut it out, it showed up. So if yours do that, it's okay. You can still peel them out when they cut out. Okay, so then I don't put my picture in design space. I just go to my picture thing, wherever it is. See our pictures down here. And I'll just turn it and put it in a 5x7 and print it out. And then the frame that I used was an 8x10. So I'll be showing you that here in just a minute. But this is how simple it is to do this. So you just go to Spotify, search for it, go to the three dots, go down to share, and then copy Spotify URI, and then you go to spotifycodes.com, put your code in, download it, and then upload it to Design Space. That's how easy and simple it is. So I will be showing you how I did mine. Okay, so I switched it over. So I wanted to go ahead and show you how I did it. Okay, so here we go. This is a floating frame that I put it in. So here you go. And then our picture. Okay, I'll show you what I did. So I mirrored it whenever I put the song code in the media player on there. Okay. Okay, so here's the glass. And then here's the plexi part. It has a hanging thing on the back of it. And I just taped, or like a little piece of Scotch tape just to hold it in place so it doesn't move. Okay, so I mirrored it and I went ahead and did it on this side. This is the part I did. So you can feel it. And then flip it over so you can't feel it.
And then what I did was I just kind of messed with it to make sure it's going to turn out okay. So when I put the two pieces together, and it's like this. And then I went ahead and put the pieces, flip it over. The only thing is I'd wear gloves so you don't fingerprint the glass a whole lot, but it'll be alright for now. Okay, and then do the bottom. Top. And then voila. Okay, so here you go. And then here's the thing you can use to hang on the wall. And I got these floaty frames at Walmart. I think they were like $4.72. I think that's how much they were. Not sure. I've seen people just using regular frames, like a 5x7 frame, and then just not putting the back on it. So I think this turned out really good. So hopefully you guys have fun making the code. Oh, and here we go. I'll show you this. Okay, so I'm using my son's phone since I have mine recording. Okay, so here's the code. So you get on Spotify and you go to the camera to search and then go ahead and scan. Okay, so then go ahead and scan it. Okay. Okay. So then it pops up and let's see. Okay, so that's all you do. You just go to Spotify and you go up to the camera and it'll say something about scan, so you scan it, and then I had to hold it down to get it because it's see-through, and scan it, and it pops up right on your Spotify and you can listen to that song. So hopefully I did all the steps that you need for you guys to be able to do it. It is very easy to do. Oh, and also I just used these little photo papers. These are 5x7 photo papers and put it on this. This frame is an 8x10. So, but like I said, you can do different ones. And also I'll be doing a tutorial on keychains, how to do the media player keychains. So please keep watching, and also please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.